Hi, and welcome to the 10 square metre workshop. You probably recognise this, indeed you may well have one. It's a Dremel rotary tool. Dremel make a wide range of these, as indeed do other manufacturers. In fact, Dremel has become a generic word like Hoover. And I want to talk today about cheap accessories for these. More after this. This is a mains powered version of the Dremel, but I also have a cordless one. And for this I chose the Bosch. Why? Well, despite Bosch owning Dremel, the batteries are subtly different. I didn't want yet another battery range. There are a lot of subtle differences between different makes of rotary tool. In particular, the collet size, the thread that allows you to attach it, the size of the collets themselves, and indeed the no thread. One would expect that Bosch, owning Dremel, would make all these threads exactly the same, and they are, well, almost. The nose thread is subtly different. The items from a Dremel will fit on a Bosch, but not the other way around. However, only a slight modification is needed. When I say I want to talk about accessories, I'm not referring to the tools that go in the machine. There are a wide range of these. Many manufacturers make drills, cutting discs, stones, whatever. Here is a typical set of Far East items which are very economical to buy. Instead, I'm referring to jigs and fixtures such as these. These are not cheap and you can't be sure they'll fit. They're not the sort of thing you'll buy on spec because you don't know if you're going to use them. However, if they were a few pence each, you'd have them just in case, wouldn't you? Well, they can be. These are my versions of those jigs. First, the support block. Firstly, it allows material to be held at 45 degrees for an accurate chamfer. Secondly, it has an adjustable platform for accurate work on the square. The second has a guide which is adjustable for angle against any cutter for sharpening, etc. The third is an adjustable router type support, which allows working on a flat surface, for engraving for example. All of these screw onto the nose of both tools. Here's a closer look at the block. The angle gauge, and the routing tool. And the cost? The plastic for these three items come out at around £1, plus a few more pence for the other hardware. So easy to make are these that I made two of different heights to suit different lengths of tool. So, three useful jigs for fitting to the Dremel or compatible multi-tool, and they cost almost nothing. Free to download as files from Thingiverse for you to print yourself. Hope you find them useful. That's all for this time. Bye for now.